How to fix Capital One bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Capital One, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Find the app Capital One. After you find it, open it. Click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If all these solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're going to get the pop-up. Select the option of Delete to confirm it. With that, the app will be deleted from your device. Then you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Capital One. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Capital One bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.